Okay, I just lost my drone. I'm very sad. Okay, we found our campsite. Just right next to the graveyard. That looks very dangerous. Good. Is it safe?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming. 3 years and the bridge is still not finished.
This bridge is very dangerous.
Okay, we're making it.
Complete. Slow.
And it's the most dangerous bridge I've ever seen. Oh, do hurt myself here. Chicken kadai.
This is a chicken kadai.
My first time in Pakistan.
Yeah. First time?
No, of course not. Many times chicken kadai. I like it, it's good. Some bread, some funny company.
Yeah.
And many cousins.
Very good.
And Godial. How are you doing, guys?
This is Angrez friend goal, no?
I'm here in Godial,
Yes, good, yeah.
and it's like really beautiful. Very beautiful.
All tourists come Gorial. This place is very beautiful, very beautiful. And this hotel name is Mini Kashmir Hotel. And I'm this place I'm not seen. Huh?
Maybe no, maybe yes. Okay, come to this place, Godial.
This Gorial.
Godial. Godial.
Come, bro. This bike is available.
Yeah?
This bike.
No.
Because
My
it's
English
Kalapani.
is very poor. No.
This bike is available. Okay. So 4 people to Kalapani.
Yeah.
4 people.
Four
Okay.
people Kalapani is running to Kalaping this Khai.
So sad.
What happened?
So drunk or is fault on the road.
Good shit. No drone anymore. So many beautiful videos. So sad.
Fault on the road, huh?
What should happen? Okay, I just lost my drone. I'm very sad. So now I'll go to Kalapani. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's supposed to be very beautiful, but no drone shots. But I don't know what to say. I'm just very sad. But they are very good people here. Salman, my good friend. So I'm very happy he became a friend. Yeah, and Godial.
Just
look at those road conditions. Can it get any worse? And the view is amazing. Come here and Chachidi. Got some juice and some cookies. And I met a lot of friendly local people. Hello everyone. Yeah. And soon I will be in Kalapani. Inshallah. Okay, how are you? You good? Where are we going? Is this your tent over there? Who is sleeping there?
This is America?
Germany.
Germany?
Yes. Yeah, there's a tent over there in the middle of the mountains. Whoever's sleeping there, and the quality is very bad. But yeah, we might go there. Actually, I don't know where we go. I met this guy, he's a mechanic, he doesn't speak any English, but Urdu. And he's very nice. He's going with me to Kalapani. And yeah, it takes much longer to go to Kalapani. So it's like 2 hours, but I'm driving for 4 hours already, I think, I don't know. And I don't even know where I will sleep. He said like in the tent somewhere there, or another tent, I don't know. But we're waiting on his friend now, and then we see where we will go. Okay, I guess I arrived. There's a tent. There's a little fire. Someone sitting there. And then it's way too dark to see anything, but there are many people. And yeah, I don't know who these people are, but I'm gonna stay with them tonight. I really hate this bike. But now you will fix it, right? They decided not to stay there at the campsite and go to another campsite for whatever reason. And now we did some hardcore off-roading. And yeah, there's another campsite inside, so we'll go there. Okay, we found our campsite. Just right next to the graveyard. Perfect.
Come. Come sit.
So what are you making? What is this? Milk? It's sugar?
No.
What is this? Bread?
This is the raswa.
This is milk from goat and cows.
Ah, it's
Milk.
mixed.
Mixed.
Ah, okay, okay.
Bakri.
Okay.
Goat bakri. दे भी चीनी भी फॉर्मूला कम मेरे तो असो चटी पे मोर जा मोशा माला ही ना जाए नहीं पाऊँ बस ना सही 10,000 का आदो मो धरी रहती गाड़ी को केवे रहता लोबिया कढ़ाई
Lobia kadai. Ah, okay.
परदेसी कढ़ाई
Huh?
मजबूरी
It's very tasty. Very nice.
डाटा ने भी हरने फॉर्मूला
What's up?
Get WhatsApp number.
Yeah, I can give him a WhatsApp number.
Yo!
Zindabad, Pakistan. No camping next to the cemetery,
WhatsApp
unfortunately.
Huh?
You camping? TK?
ठीक है
No problem?
What problem?
Nice, nice. Looking cool, man. Chilas boy.
Chilas and Astore.
Chilas?
Pakistan and Gilgit
Or Chilas?
Baltistan. Yes.
Gilgit Baltistan, Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad. Yeah, finish. Is it a good tent? TK? Okay, then I wish you a good night.
Very nice.
See you tomorrow. Nice.
All the best.
I hope I survive. Hello. It's a beautiful little house.
Wazir-e-Azam house.
Whose house?
Pakistan was
Prime Minister house.
Sharif house.
Imran Khan stage.
Shahbaz Sharif house. This
Shahbaz Sharif.
assembly.
Assembly.
No good.
No good, no good.
Imran Khan is very beautiful man.
Imran
I
Khan
like
Zindabad.
Imran Khan.
And Pakistan Zindabad.
This is a Quran.
I'm recording, you can show. What is this?
This
Quran
sweet.
दूध देसी दूध
The milkshake.
Milkshake. Milkshake.
This is a police आ गया तो
Okay, great.
ready
Oh, good.
good like
Good, good.
Pakistan Zindabad
Pakistan.
Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Pak Fauj Zindabad. Milk.
Okay, having semia now. Very tasty. Samadak
My name is Sadakat Semia is
Sadakat.
with milk.
with milk. Nice. We're eating it the traditional way in a metal cup and a pan. That's how you eat it. Is it tasty?
Yes.
Nice.
Very tasty food.
Good. Too sad to leave this beautiful place. A great road. There are always so many river crossings in Pakistan. Is it a motorbike or a boat?